Containment. Containment is an important topic of biosafety. These are actually the safety measures used for managing the microorganisms that we are using in the lab. Secondly, we also prevent the exposure of the worker with the biohazardous substances or with the infectious agents. Now, containment can be defined as a military strategy that is used to stop the expansion of an enemy. It was first introduced by United States of America, and for containment the policy which is used is known as Cold War policy. The purpose is to prevent the spread of communism or of socialism abroad. Now, what is the history of containment? In 1850s, it was started in United States of America when they take a first step or develop a containment strategy to stop the expansion of slavery and ultimately forcing it to collapse. So they develop anti-slavery forces in 1850. Then in 1940, that is during World War II, United States of America and Soviet Union developed rollback policy in order to destroy Japan and Germany. Now for that they use three types of strategies or three strategies for the containment or the safe measures. One is the isolationism or minimizing America involvement. This was favored by the Middle East countries or the countries which are self-conserved. Then the second strategy is regarding the friendly relationship. This strategy is very important for the trade purposes. The third important policy or the strategy of containment is known as rollback policy. It was used by the United States of America to, this is an actually aggressive effort to undercut or to remove the Soviet Union.